toad, small red millipede toad, brown cricket. This is brown cricket, not black. Even more frog. Frog. Wow, this one is chico. Leaf. This is small butterfly. Screen a skin on this grasshopper. One more grasshopper. More grasshopper. Wow, this is big spider. Wow, this one is crab. Crab. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Butterfly, small butterfly. This one is cockroach. Cockroach. Mm. Wow, so beautiful. There are a lot of butterfly, but it's different skin. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this one is dragonfly. You can see it's so beautiful. Its name. And this one is spider. This one more baby frog. A couple insect, but I don't know what does it name. Wow, and this one is it, it's called scorpion. Wow, this is toad. This toad is very big toad. Wow, this is millipede. Small red millipede. Small red millipede. This one more toad. 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 Wow, this one is brown cricket. This is brown cricket, not black. Yes, brown cricket. Wow, this one. This is one more toad. You see, this toad. This is very small toad. Now I got three toad. Wow, this is one more toad. This is very big toad. Wow, now I got four toad. Wow, this is frog. Now I see one more frog. Frog. Wow, this is baby frog. Baby frog is very small. Yes, baby frog. Wow, this one is chico. Small chico is running. Chico. Small chico. And this one is small butterfly. Now he is sleeping now. He sleep on the leaf. This is small butterfly. Yeah, small butterfly. And this is one more small butterfly. You can see. And this one is grasshopper. Yeah, you see, it's green skin on this grasshopper. Yes, grasshopper. And this is one more grasshopper. And this one is small grasshopper. Small grasshopper. You see, it's so beautiful. This is one more grasshopper. Yes, it's so beautiful. Wow, this is one more grasshopper. Yes, this one grasshopper. Wow, this is big spider. Big spider. Wow, it's very big. Now he ran away. Wow, this one is crab. Crab. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Beautiful crab. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, this is one more butterfly. Small butterfly. It's so beautiful. Wow, this one is cockroach. Cockroach. It's black skin. Cockroach. Yes. Wow, you look this one. It's so beautiful. Yes, it's so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. You see, it's so beautiful. Okay. Wow, this one is so beautiful. This is one more butterfly. There are a lot of butterfly, but it's different skin. Yeah, you can see. It's so beautiful. Yes, and this is four grasshopper around here. And it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 grasshopper around here. It's so beautiful. And this is one more small grasshopper. Yeah, this one is dragonfly. You can see it's so beautiful. Dragonfly. So beautiful. Now he is sleeping. Yeah. This one is dragonfly. So beautiful. Wow, this is one more butterfly, but it's so beautiful. Beautiful butterfly. Wow, this one is so beautiful. Now he ran away. And this one is small grasshopper. Yeah, this one is small grasshopper. Yeah. Wow. And this is one more insect, but I don't know what does it name. And this one is spider. Small spider. Small spider. Yes. Wow. Now he ran away. He fly away. And this is one more. Now he dropped down on the ground. It's even more. Yeah. Two couple. Two. Cricket. Cricket. Wow. He ran so far. This is one more baby frog. Baby frog. Wow. He ran so fast. Wow, this is couple 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 insect, but I don't know what does its name. Now he fly away. Now they fly away. And this is one more uh, dragonfly. Now he ran away. And this is small spider. See, it's very small. Now he's sleeping on the web of spider. Wow, and this one is it, it's called scorpion. It has he has a black skin around body. You can see it's so scary. Don't touch him. It's very hurt when this scorpion sting you. Wow, you can see it's so scary. Wow. Okay, goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.